Hi, 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 hi.
Hi, hi. So, how are you? How are you dealing with this lockdown? Considering the fact that you are one of those workaholic, super busy actor who is like in every kind of film we get to see you. So, tell me that.
Yeah, it's been around 100 days. We just came back from South Africa and we went to lockdown. So yeah, it's been a long time.
Which is very interesting for me is that the film Nirantar has released on television as well as on Z5, right? What I was finding very interesting is that you being one of those prominent faces of Bengali cinema in the present time, your transformation has happened from Prosenjita cinema to water performance to now you will you will not even get the instant reaction from the audience because we all are gonna sit in our house and gonna watch the
When
film.
I did a film like Nirantar, uh,
Yeah,
where I acted and I produced the both, I thought this film has to travel a lot in festivals, and this film is basically a very close film, number one. And number two, I must tell you one thing that I had
hmm,
seen, if you see in recent in Bengal, especially I'm talking about, in last 2 months, especially in last 2 months, there was a huge write-ups in national newspapers also. In Bengal cinema, especially on television, had a huge, big viewership on this last 2 3 months. And with your love and with everybody's love, my two very old firm, very old firm, in fact, in last 2 months it was the highest TRP in television channel. Now if you see a film like Nirantar, which was released on a television channel, which was premiered in a television channel, and now it's in OTT platform where people can watch it anytime when they feel it. And I'm feeling really good that being a Bengali film, the firm is in trending in first five. So today's date, what is very importantly, we need to understand that we all produce now Indian cinema, right? It's a language basically, and today we are sitting in a position where sitting in Kolkata, maybe I am watching a lot of Marathi cinema. So I love
yeah,
to watch Marathi cinema. I love to watch Malayali film. I love to watch Spanish film. So there are a lot of interesting subjects, which is
hmm,
also catering to the people who are not non. I mean, they're not maybe essentially Bengalis. So it
yeah,
is becoming, and we need to also identify. I had seen a lot of changes, yeah, and there was I mean I'd seen television coming in, I've seen home theater coming in, I've seen VCR coming in, and every time the challenge used to be cinema hall. Nobody is going to go back now. That's not. I completely disagree. Another 100 years going to remain the same because cinema magic has always been there. But there is a huge big but. There are a lot of lanes now. There are a lot of PGs now, and we now need to say that we are content provider. So each content has a different PG. For that, I
yes.
think OTT has a huge big. What I think that OTT till today is just we are catering to 25-30%. When this is going to reach to 70, 80, 90%, the market of the entire Indian entertainment industry is going to be huge. But it doesn't mean
Right,
that
right.
cinema hall will die out. That's going to.
This is so interesting what you're talking about, the transformation and the transformation like all over in Indian cinema. It's not just in Bengali cinema but all over, right? The change, the new language of Indian cinema that we are celebrating now, right? At the same time, when there are so many new talent are coming, so many new actors, directors, cinematographers, technicians are coming and dreaming more about making it here big in the business of cinema. The industry is becoming cutthroat, right? We also get to see how lot of conversation also going around the opportunity that is there, right? Earlier it was more of like relationship based, right? These days we are getting into that whole conversation of like, should it be merit based or relationship based? In last few weeks there are constant conversation even from the Bengali film industry which is going on, and where there are actors who are questioning on the whole situation and the scenario of not having enough opportunity.
I know this is something happening everywhere, but I'm totally, I'm not saying I don't want to really talk about this, but my one question is very simple, that me as a person, me as an actor, I think I had worked with the maximum number of new girls. I had worked with maximum number of new directors till today. It's not that, and I always believe that new talents needs to come. If you see my production, whichever I had done, if I had done 5 or 10 films which I had produced, you will see, even television I'm talking about, you will see maybe one of those films where Prosenjit is there. Otherwise, it is mostly with all new faces. And now they are big stars now, honestly speaking. I don't want to name them, but people know. So that whenever I produce a film, it is a very fresh director, or it is a fresh cast with fresh face. So I always believe that, and this is even that one thing which we need to also understand, that why I can do some other business, right? So if I have learned something from this industry, I need to give back something to the industry. And what else I can give apart from some new talents uh, as a gift? Today, if after maybe 10 years, when I'm not going to be maybe a hero kind of a thing now, but if Chandrashish becomes a big director, I think I will be the happiest person to say that I have launched this boy. So
Yeah.
there is a kind of a tribute for me to my industry. That the industry has given me
I want to know, like, because you have grown up surrounded by a lot of stars. I mean, you are one of those lucky boy who played. You are in the lap of Uttam Kumar, iconic Bengali superstar, right? And now that, like, that Golla Baba Nalok looking cute boy who has become an icon of Bengali cinema, right? Uh, how do you describe your journey? Is it the struggler who survived to become an artist, or is it the youngster who wanted to be a hero and still remain the hero?
No, there are two aspects. Of course, I am a struggler. I started my career, though I was really, I was son of a very big star, and was a huge big star. Then I knew the entire industry, not only Bangla, all over India, that point of time. And if you talk about Mohanayak Uttam Kumar, I was blessed that in a film called Dui Prithvi, I had done Uttam Kumar's young age, when I was around 14 years, 13 or 14. And that was probably it was practically the last phase of the Uttam Kumar's film. And that film ran for 50 weeks. And I played his young teenager kind of age.
Version
So
of his
I'm
character.
lucky enough. I know those person, but those people were my inspiration. And I started my career just as a new, any of those new struggler, they should start with doing the stage or the play, the theaters. And even after getting a super hit film when I was around 16, 17, Duti Bata, nobody used to cast me because it was a very, for Bengali cinema, this teenager thing was not a very right thing. I was absolutely a teenager. I was a boy. But yes, after Amar Shangi, I had really gone to a position where after that I gave really big hits in commercial cinema. But I must tell you one thing, which always gave me, I always fought within myself, that people used to say I'm a lover boy. Then I started doing my action. Then people used to watch my action. Then I realized that there is a huge section of people who only tells that I'm a very commercial super actor or star or whatever. But though that there's a joke in Kolkata, especially when you are Prosenjit, not Prosenjit, you know. So you are
Yeah.
Guru. So then
Yeah,
I
yeah.
realized that no, that is another place which I need to also cater. So I will give you a small. I'll just share a very small story. when I did a film called Doshor, you know. So you must
Yes,
have watched
yes.
my Doshor.
Ye-
So after
yes, yes,
that,
yes.
for some our industry, there was some problem in our industry. So I went to Writers Building uh, for some meeting, me and our industry
Okay,
people. So there was a
okay.
huge crowd upstairs, and when I came out
Of
from
course.
the chief minister's office, the people
Yes.
started telling me that Dada, after a long time we had seen Doshor, and you must do these kind of a film. So that caters us, and I mean, you have done splendid, and I won national award for that. So all I was feeling really good that yeah, after Doshor, people are liking me. It was a pleasure for me. So after that, from the third floor, when I came down to my where my car was parked, so there was a huge crowd there, and they were more like drivers and taxi drivers and all. So I was getting into my car with the mob and all those things. They
Yeah.
started saying me that Dada, hey Chobita, why did you do this film? You were just sleeping. Why you couldn't get up and give a slap to your wife? So you can understand the audience are they were also my audience. They love to see me. They want
In
to watch me
action.
doing those
Yeah, in action. Yeah.
actions and fight other audience. But what I very strongly believed in cinema, two things were very important for me. That the space which I made for 20 years, I very consciously I wanted to switch it off to a different league and give it to that particular place to my younger generation. I don't want to fight with my time. You see, everything can change. Your time can't change. Now, whatever I have done in Amor Shungi, it is not right me to do after 30 years in Amor Shungi. So then what? Then I started hunting for the
I,
right film, right director,
yes.
right thing. And
Mm.
now those films became a commercial hits. Now, if you see Srijit or Kaushik or Shivu, Nandita, the kind of cinema they are doing, including Gautam Das, Moner Manush, those films these are the films which has become commercial now. So what is commercial? The film which will be watched and people will say it is a good film, or people are going to say it's a bad film. So I am a person every day morning when I get up,
Yes.
my first thing which I try to do is that today, when one day I need to have one new fan. Somebody should like me first. So for me, in a certain time, I understood that the young generation, those they were very younger to me. They also want to watch the film or Prashanjit in a different way. So Autograph by Strabon, all those
See,
films
those
have
are the
created. And one suddenly, I still remember I went to some my friends' marriage or something. So there were some kids roaming around. So उनके बाप माँ जो होते हैं ना, they used to come and tell,
हाँ.
"This Prashanjit very big star, picture लीजिए, ये लीजिए." But those guys were looking at me. Huh? Then I understood that they are not my fan because the father and mother is saying they're coming and they're taking my pictures. So then I did a Kaka Babu. When I
Which is
did
a
the Kaka
children's
Babu
film.
series, yeah, Kaka Babu, I've done two Kaka Babu, and my third is going to get released now. This is Sunil
Okay.
Ganguly's With One Hand. It's
Yes, yes,
a
yes,
thriller,
yes.
adventurous thriller. It's a huge read novel for all Bengalis, like Agatha Christie kind of a thing. So when I did Kaka Babu, after that, every kid, I can show you right now, I have the pictures, small kids, they come and, sketch me and give it to me. So for me, that 7 to 8 years, those kids were also, I wanted to target them, that they should know me as Kakabab. So I take my things in a way, and now I had come to a position, or maybe I, for the commercial film, I gave it to my brothers and younger generation to take it forward. I now want to enjoy my work. Even I do 2 films a year, I need to enjoy my work.